The ABCs of California by Nick Johnson. A is for avocado. California grows those. B is for beaches, where you dig in your toes. C is for crowded. You can hardly breathe here. D is for Death Valley. There's hardly a breeze here. E is for expensive. That's why most are broke. F is for fires and all of the smoke. G is for gay, at least in some cities. H is for Hispanic, in all of the cities. I is for in and out, which everyone loves. J is for jealous, cause your weather sucks. K is for Kings, one of their basketball teams. L is for late, cause the traffic's extreme. M is for Mexican, the best type of food. N is for Nancy, a really old fool. O is for Orange County, which is crowded and fake. P is for Pasadena, where they host a parade. Q is for quiet, which this state really ain't. R is for road rage, that you get every day. S is for snobs and the smog and the slang. T is for tremors, that can make your house shake. U is for umbrella, you can put that away. V is for Vegas, where you go for 2 days. W is for waves, that the surfers here need. X marks the spot where you can buy weed. Y is for yoga, and the yoga pant butts here. Z is for zoo. This place is plain nuts, dear.
Hey, bud, hey, just a minute, bud.
The end.